Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. 2016 Ford Fusion SE rear brake pad replacement, rear brake rotor replacement. Break the lug nuts loose a turn or two. Counterclockwise, everything is left to loosen, right to tighten. You jack the vehicle up. Not sure there's a central point underneath here to jack it up. Pinch weld there. You can see I'm jacked up here. There's a spot in the middle actually, you could probably get in there. It's kind of deep under the car, but once the wheels loose, you can jack up the vehicle, use safety stands, protect yourself, and then get the tire off the rest of the way. And this is what you're going to see. I ended up beating my tire off because it was corroded in place, so it was a lot more work. So here we go. You got your outer brake pad and inner brake pad, then we have a brake caliper and the brake caliper adapter mounting plate, and we have emergency brake motor here. It does say to put it into service mode, but you could probably do it without it. Also, you could unplug it. There's a couple plug-ins here, and there's a plug-in on the motor as well. So if you have any concerns about that, then you can just unplug it and it shouldn't go anywhere. So we're going to take stuff apart and put it back together. So I've got this is 7 millimeter Allen, and I've got a 15 millimeter socket, and my wrench, a few odds and ends here, a hammer because I have to beat the rotor off too, it's stuck on there. Impact gun. Just have a good selection of tools. Caliper collapsing tool. You'll need to collapse the piston. So let's take stuff apart, remove right. All nuts and bolts will be left to loosen, right to tighten. There might be caps on the ends. We'll just take them off, friction fit. Just pushing the caliper slide bolt back to help make it easier to take it off.